How's it going, guys? One of our favorite parts about the Bandit is the fact that it runs 12 volt for its headlight. That means you can use any standard motorcycle headlight. So today I'm going to show you how to wire it up so you can change yours. If you go to the listing that you bought your headlight from, you're going to see a bunch of different wires and different things for what they do. Sometimes they have a halo on them. This is that outer ring. Sometimes they'll even note a different color. Now Spark does have a very easy little adapter that you can just get on our website, or you can just go on Amazon and buy a lot of these things. Be very careful when you get these though, because sometimes they will swap the red wire and the black wire around, and it's not going to damage your headlight. It's just not going to turn on. If you get everything wired up properly, you plug it in and it doesn't work, it's probably because these two wires need to be reversed. The kit that we sell uses this little adapter, and it makes it really easy because you just put your wire in, and then that snaps down on each one of those wires, and it makes it so that you don't have to solder anything. This isn't very waterproof, so you're gonna wanna put some heat shrink over the top of this and then slide it inside the headlight casing. My headlight has all these different color wires, but the main red and black ones are for the standard light. So I'm gonna put the red wire into that slot, snap that, then I'm gonna connect the black, close that, and now I have adapted this headlight to having the correct output. So now if I look a little bit closer, I'm going to have a few other wires going on here. My listing made it so that the yellow wire was the high beam. If I want, I can use that, and there is an additional port on this little adapter so that I can just go right in. And now I'll be running the high beam and the low beam together. That will take more power away from your bike. But just try to make sure that your current draw is under 4 or 5 amps, and that's going to be okay for the system. Now let's say maybe I don't want to do as much power, and I just want to run the halo. I'm just going to take the white wire and I'm going to change that out for the high beam wire. Now I'm running my halo. Well, let's say I want all of them. These little adapter things are fairly forgiving. You could take all 3 of these wires, twist them together, and fit that into the slot. And now I'll be running the halo, the high beam, the low beam, and the amber all together at once. Okay, so I got my Bandit next to me. I just disconnected the headlight, and I'm gonna plug this one in. You can see now I've got the outer halo going, and let's see if I put the amber on. Now keep in mind, this is all very low power, so you're not gonna get zapped. So that's with the amber. But the main thing here, guys, is if you use this little adapter, you can just read the overview from your headlight manufacturer. And if you plug everything in and it doesn't work, just undo the red and black and swap them around. You're not going to damage the headlight by putting these on in reverse. An LED is just like a check valve. It is a diode. I hope that helped, guys. So I can't wait to see what you guys do.